Hi dear, today we are going to disassemble Nokia 6600F phone, very old phone, Nokia 6600F. Okay, this is battery, 6600. This is phone and keyboard, old keyboard, but some damage on. This one is magnetic field. This use on this switch and this switch press on time, phone on time, this switch press this switch and off the magnet. Okay, so now you can see how to disassemble the phone easily. This is tool, Nokia T2 tool, 25mm tool. Firstly, remove this pin, this nails, up keyboard under the keyboard. Okay. Then we must remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nails. Okay, 5 pin. එන පහක් තියෙනවා ගලවන්න. අපි දැන් එන පහ ගලවමු. We must go into upper side. Upper side, this plate, it fix in 2 nails. 1, 2. We must remove these 2 nails and this one. You see this plate on my hand. Okay. And we must remove this ribbon, motherboard and display fix on this. Okay, this ribbon must remove, and motherboard, another bin. This motherboard and middle housing. This one is display and display housing. This part is remove on LED. This one is motherboard. Okay, this is middle housing. Now you can fix this. Okay, you must fix this. Fix. This one is camera. You can see. And this is to LED point. We use the antenna for antenna, mobile antenna. This is this 5 nails. One, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 pins. 5 pins. 3, 4, 4, 5. So now you can see more time. This is fixed. Okay, camera is fixed. Camera ribbon this is fixed. Okay, okay, and you can fix the keyboard. Okay, this is a damage on old phone. Okay, 1 hours. This pin is keyboard pin. You can fix the keyboard. Very well done. Okay, and oh sorry, this is a rotate pin. Rotate pin. No problem. Oh sorry. Rotate pin. Just a moment, please. I think you can see. And fix this display flex cable ribbon. Fix. Easy. And we must fix this part. Upper side housing. Okay. Fall. Okay, fix. Perfect. You see? Perfect. And this two pin for is perfectly fixed. Okay, thank you, dear. This is Nokia number 0 F phone. You can see. Thank you very much, dear. Thank you, thank you, thank you.